Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting with channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet 3D flower and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Let's start. I will use a Rico essential yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 53 chains. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished 53 chains. Then I will turn and skip 5 chains. Then make double crochet as shown now into the fixed chain from the hook. Then make 2 chains and skip 2 chains. Then make double crochet again. Then make 3 chains and make double crochet into the same stitch. And repeat with the same sequences to the end. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1, then I will start round 2. I will turn and make single crochet into the first space here as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the same space. That is second double crochet stitch. Then make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now. Then skip next space and make a chain. Then make 3 double crochet into the next space here after skip the previous space. Here I will make 3 double crochet stitches into that space, then make 3 chains and make another 3 double crochet stitches into the same space. Then I will repeat with the same sequence to the end. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 2, then I will start round 3. I will turn and make 5 double crochet stitches into the first space as shown now. Then make 3 chains and close them into the top of the double crochet stitch to make a picot stitch as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet again into the same space. With the chain, then make single crochet here into the second space and make 5 double crochet stitches into the second space as shown now, and repeat with the same sequences. So I will make 5 double crochet here, then make 3 chains and close them with slip stitch into the top of double crochet to make a picot stitch. Then make another 5 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now, and repeat with the same sequence at to the end. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished round 3, then I will cut our yarn and fasten off as shown now to have that shape. Then I will wrap that cord around itself as shown now to make the flower. Now I made that flower with that shape. Then I will sew the flower with the tapestry needle from the back. Now I finished that flower with the shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.